Hi, this is Andreas with Boxmanufaktur, and we are here at the Caravan Salon, our first opportunity to introduce the new Denelli 720Q. We will take you on a little room tour inside and outside, so enjoy what we have here prepared for you. Come on. Let's start on the exterior. We are building the boxes with a lot of pride in-house. We are pressing our own composite panels. We have our own CNC machine to cut the panels to shape, and we have a very specific way to assemble the boxes with a kind of overlapping Z-cut and interlocking all panels together, so we have a very strong, stiff and sturdy box. We are also building our own doors and hatches, fully wall integrated. So while we are pressing the walls, we are integrating all doors and hatches, and that makes beautiful, nice, flush doors without any visible frames. Just seeing a little bit what I'm talking about. We have a beautiful handle made of aluminum. We have the door stop, and you see there is no frame. Everything is nice and flush. So we can also build every size. We are not limited to a certain measurement, so we can really also focus on individual needs of our customers. In this case, we have the entrance door, we have the pass-through door to the driver cab, and we have our outdoor kitchen. This is an option we are offering in a lot of vehicles. As you know, if the sun is coming out, you definitely don't want to sit inside and prepare your meals. So we have this beautiful Mokubu box, which is a full-fledged kitchen unit with a cooktop. And here on the side, we have all the accessories you need. We have cutlery, we have plates, silverware, everything is in one compact box available. And what's also really cool, when you're coming from your grocery shopping, you have a kind of pass-through. So that means you can load everything into the boxes, push it from the outside into your kitchen, and on the inside you have two doors and you can take everything out when you need it. So a very comfortable feature as well. We know that our customers have a lot of equipment. That's why we also have a large garage. Like all our vehicles, we have a complete hydronic heating system. Also the garage is heated. The water tank, the freshwater tank and the filtration system is located right above the axle for a perfect weight distribution. And everything is nice and warm, even you're using it as a four-season vehicle. A very popular feature is our panorama hatch. We do that for almost every vehicle. Here in this case, it's on the driver's side. So if you're standing with your family and enjoy the nature, your lake, your ocean, that is a perfect thing. We have a mosquito net option as well if you want to be protected a little bit. And we have an additional window. So if you can't open the complete sidewall, we have a nice outbound window here, which gives you fresh air and light. Yeah, welcome to the beautiful inside of our Denelli 720Q. The Q is standing for sleeping across. We also have an L version, so you sleep north-south. That means that this kitchen cabinet will be low and you can pull the bed forward above the work table or workspace of your kitchen, and it's also moving forward over your dinette. But in this case, we have the Q model. So it's a 150 by 200 centimeter large bed area with upper cabinets. We also integrated lights with USB. We have a nice airline track, so you can also have small bags, in this case from Seal & Pro, and you can store your phone, your glasses, whatever you have at night with you. What's also a very cool feature, the whole car, a whole RV is powered by an EcoFlow system with a 10 kW battery pack. So a huge battery to run all your cooktops and fridge. So whatever you need, you have plenty of power in your battery bank. And we combine the EcoFlow with a very cool smart control from Revotion. Revotion is a very new system to steer light pumps, and that is possible with your phone via an app. And we also have integrated an iPad where you can steer everything. And from every switch in the car, with a small double click, you can, for example, switch every light in the car out. So in the evening when you go to the bed, just switch any switch you can reach, just double press it and the light is off and you have a good sleep. So here you see the panorama hatch from the inside, and you see how beautiful, spacious it is. That was very important to us, that we have a very open layout. We wanted lots of workspace for the kitchen. That was important to us as well. A nice fridge, what you can use from the inside and outside, and a comfortable bathroom. So that was what we always hear from our customers, what is important when you are long on the road, and that's what we try to build. The whole vehicle is heated with the Timberline 2.0 system, a very fancy new system here in the market, which is combining a hydronic heating system with an instant hot water boiler, so you can more or less endless produce hot water. And we are running through the heat and heating cycles, we are running a glycol mix through the floor, bed panel, around the bed panel, and also one wall in the bathroom is heated. So if your towels are hanging in front of that wall, it's nice, dry and cozy at all times. We have integrated a lot of USB chargers, also high power USB chargers from Tiger XPad, where you can also charge your iPad with the right voltage and not only your phone. We also integrated in the kitchen an undermount sink and an induction cook field from Siemens. And in all our storage compartments, we are using these Euro-type boxes. So you can take a few things home if you want, fill it, and then just slide it into your cabinet space. I'm now in our very comfortable bathroom. We have the shower with a nice teak grid. We also have the pass-through door to the driver cab, the overhead storage. We have a little cap over the driver cab, huge storage for all your light stuff. We have a folding sink here on the side and under it. So you can see, you can nicely open that up. And then you have full access to a very fancy new toilet system called Helipod. It's a brand new composting toilet with a kind of mixing tool in it that you can circulate much faster. And that is a toilet we really enjoy, brand new, and we are using them now in most of our vehicles. Here you have a shower curtain to protect that the mirror cabinet gets wet while using the shower, and we have a nice drain with a slope in it, so the water, also when you're not perfectly straight, the water will always go to the drain and into the heated wastewater tank. And we talked about a little bit, we are using our hydronic system also on our walls, so when you have your towels in front of the wall, it gets nice and warm and will dry much faster. So comfort overall is very important to us. That was our room tour for the new Denelli 720Q. If you have more questions, please contact our team. Our homepage is www.boxmanufaktur.com, and you find our contact details there as well. So contact us if you need more information.